Horses out, you have Redemption. Best to begin, moving up, Gastambide. On the outside is Marieza. Glamour Boy comes next, then followed over by Virtual Angel, Toda Marca, Señorita Monique, Louis Star, by Drell Lenlen, Rolling Thunder, Punchline. Then next on line is Open Class, Sugar Mike and Redemption. And going along for the first turn, Virtual Angel in the middle. And on the outside, moving up, Glamour Boy. Down on the inside, third, Gastambide. 4 lengths away in fourth comes number 2, Lenlen. Todamar comes next is Marieza. Señorita Monique comes next. Down on the inside is Louis Star, Rolling Thunder alongside Open Class, Sugar Mike, Redemption, and Punchline. Back to the leader, Gastambide. Now by Aralenka. Glamour Boy in second. And here comes Lenlen. Now trying to get closer to take second. And in fourth, Virtual Angel. Then next on line, Toda Marca. Señorita Monique alongside is Marieza. Louis Star, Rolling Thunder alongside. As they come down to the last 200. Gastambide, Bauralenka. Lenlen is on the outside second. Gastambide, Lenlen in second. Last 150. And it's still Gastambide, followed by Lenlen in second. And nearing the finish line, it's Gastambide. Second is Lenlen. Louis Star is Mariez, Señorita Monique, and Virtual Angel.
Walang photo?
Wala eh.
Oh, very
Sinabi
good.
ko na ngayon dati.